I'm giving myself a challenge this week. No more blanking mid-sentence. You know the feeling. You're mid-conversation and all of a sudden your brain just empties. The word you need is right there, somewhere, and you can't grab it. If that's you, you're in good company. It happens to everyone. The encouraging part is that it's not fixed. It's not some fixed trait. It's a skill, and skills get better with practice. There's usually more than one thing going on when this happens. Stress is a big one. Under pressure, your brain genuinely does freeze up. Hence the term brain fog, which makes pulling the right word even harder. Sometimes it's just vocabulary stagnation. We fall into routines, talk to the same people about the same things, and stop feeding ourselves new words. And then there's the self-imposed pressure of needing to come across clearly, whether you're in a meeting, giving a presentation, or just trying not to sound like an idiot at dinner. Any one of these can leave you fumbling, and it's more embarrassing than it should be. The knock-on effects are real too. Fumble for words in a meeting, and you can come across as less prepared or less confident than you actually are, even if you know the material very well. It's frustrating because the gap isn't between what you know and what's true, it's between what you know and what comes out of your mouth. The freezing itself is largely a stress response. Your brain treats the pressure to perform as a threat and shuts down easy access to language, which is annoying but also useful to know, because it means the fix isn't getting smarter. It gets calmer and more practiced, I would say. A few things actually help. Listen harder, not just talk more. When you're really tuned into what someone's saying, you naturally pick up cues that help you respond. Instead of scrambling to fill silence, you're building off what's already there. I've watched friends use this to get through job interviews that they were dreading. Read more deliberately. I try to get through a book a month, and it's had a significant impact on how easily words come to me. It's not passive, though it helps to actually notice new words and try using them, rather than just letting them go over you. Practice talking on the spot. I joined a local debate club for this reason, and it's honestly been the biggest lever, forcing yourself to think and speak in real time with no script. Trains the exact muscle that freezes up when you're caught off guard. It's uncomfortable at first. It works anyway. None of this is about becoming a polished public speaker overnight. It's about closing the gap between what's in your head and what comes out of your mouth. 1 week, one discussion at a time. Thanks for listening, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. I'll see you in the next video in this series. Bye for now.